If you're looking for a simple Nigerian meal that is healthy, filling, and filled with flavors, you're going to love this. Today, I'm making soft boiled plantain, crispy fried tilapia fish, and a delicious vegetable sauce loaded with spinach, shrimps, crayfish, and fresh pepper. Trust me, this combination never disappoints. Let's get started. First, peel the plantains and cut them into your preferred sizes. Add a little salt to your boiling water, then carefully drop the plantains in and allow them to cook until it's soft and tender. While that is cooking, let's fry our tilapia fish. The fish has been seasoned simply with salt and seasoning cubes because sometimes simple seasoning lets the natural flavor shine. Fry until both sides are beautifully golden and crispy. The plantain has been cooking for about 10 minutes and it's now perfectly soft. Remove it from the water and set aside. The fish is also ready. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Exactly how we want it. Now for my favorite part, the vegetable sauce. Into a hot pan goes some oil, followed by sliced onion. The aroma already smells amazing. Add some curry powder and black pepper. Stir, then add in your blended crayfish, your blended fresh pepper. Let everything cook together for a couple of minutes so the flavors can develop beautifully. Next, add the shrimps. Mix it very well to incorporate the sauce into the shrimps. Then add your seasoning cube and salt to taste. For my seasoning cube, I'm using Knorr Cube. I always love using Knorr Cube. I don't know about you. So we don't have to overcook the shrimps. Finally, it's time to add our spinach. Give everything a good mix, cover and allow it to steam for about 2 minutes. Just look at this vibrant color. Don't you feel like eating some? This is so healthy. Yeah, the vegetable sauce is almost ready at this point, so stir very well. Add in seasoning cube and salt to taste because I tested it and my sauce needed more seasoning cube. So I cover this to rest for 2 minutes and our vegetable sauce is ready. Rich, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. Now let's plate everything together. In my plate, I serve the boiled plantain. Then I add my tilapia fish. Then to top it up, I'll be adding my delicious vegetable sauce. Trust me, this vegetable sauce was so delicious. To even make it much better, I have garnished the fish with some pepper, spicy sauce. And would you love me to share the recipe? If you would love me to share the recipe, let me know in the comment section by typing pepper sauce and I will drop the recipe for you. Now tell me, would you choose this for lunch or dinner? If you enjoyed this recipe video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for always watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next delicious recipe. Bye!